Rodgers has time. Throws. Caught. Touchdown. Pat Fryermuth. Quick throw to the outside. Fryermuth. Stays in bounds. Has the first down and a few more.
Oh my God!
Rodgers avoids the sack. Deep downfield.